Today I'm with a brand new topic. The topic is computer programming. The programming language is Python. Python is the one of the easiest programming language. And through this series, we are going to learn about the fundamentals, syntax, and concept. And this series is going to be fun and interesting. And the only thing is of your time. And guys, let me jump into the laptop.
Hey, what's up guys? Here I am on my laptop and I'm going to show you how to download Python on your Windows 10 or on your Mac or on your Linux. And first, if you are on Windows 10, you can do on your Microsoft Store and click on that Microsoft Store and click on that search and write Python, right? Python. Okay, now it will load in time. We take few times and here we go on 3.8 is the latest version of the Python, and I have already downloaded this on my device, so I don't want to download it again. And then if you are using Mac or Linux, this Microsoft Store will not work. Then use Google Chrome for it. Okay, then write Python download. Okay, and if you go there, you can see the first link coming up on www.python.org. You can also do that. I'm doing in typing and click on that link and you're now on that website of Python and download the latest version 3.8.2. You can get the older version if you want. You just scroll down, and if you download this on your device on your Google Chrome, go to the search tab now and write IDLE, and there we go, and click on open, and it will pop in time. Okay, and it has popped up in the time, and I am not going to do that now. And if you can use command prompt or write command prompt or CMD, you can write that to get this. Oops, oh my gosh, I just clicked right click, and you can write again command prompt, right? And we are now inside command prompt and write Python. Okay, and you are now inside Python. It's matter when you download the versions. Okay, it will not already will come. And if then this is how you download on your device. And if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, and let's see you in the second episode.